You trying to make money online? But nothing works for you. Everything you're trying, but you're ending up with zero money. If you're now completely broke, then I would recommend you to watch this full video. I want to show you something that you can make your first $150, your first $200, or even your first $750. Anyone can do that who had never made any money before, and the method that I'm gonna show you requires zero investment at all. This is absolutely a free traffic source, and this is available to all countries in the world. You just need to spend 30 minutes or less a day. You can do that if you have only a smartphone. Every hard work will be done by other people. You just need to do a tiny little bit of work to make $750. So if you're now excited about that, then drop a like to this video, and leave a positive comment, and if you want to watch more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, and set the notification bell to all. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna be talking about the Fiverr website, but don't worry guys, we're not gonna create any gig here, we're not gonna sell any service ourselves, we will promote other people's services, and we will make money doing literally nothing. So I'm talking about the Fiverr Affiliates program. If you go all the way to the bottom of the Fiverr website, then you'll find a link here Affiliates, or you can simply search on Google Fiverr Affiliates, and then you want to go to this link affiliates.fiverr.com, and then it'll bring you to the Fiverr Affiliates page. Now here as you see, 3 steps you can start earning. First you'll join as an affiliate, and then you want to promote Fiverr, which means you're gonna promote Fiverr services to people, and the third step you're gonna start earning. So as you see, earn right from the moment your traffic converts. Check out our commission. If you click this link commission plan, then it'll bring you to their commission plan. Here you can see how much money you really can make from the Fiverr Affiliates program. Now to start making money from the Fiverr Affiliates, you have to understand their commission plan first. So as you see right here they have 2 types of commission. One is Fiverr CPA, and the second is Fiverr Hybrid. So as you see Fiverr Hybrid will pay you fixed $10 CPA, plus 10% revenue share for the next 12 months. So you can choose Fiverr Hybrid to promote, but in this video we're gonna be focusing on the Fiverr CPA, because Fiverr CPA will pay you $15 to $150. But it depends on the service what service you're gonna promote. Let me explain this a little bit more. If you go a little bit to the bottom, then you'll find the Fiverr CPA commission in detail. So as you can see they're telling, we offer different commissions $15 to $150.